our second day in Palawan and first day in El Nido, and we're about to eat in the balcony. So, let's go. Not yet going to eat, but we're just going to clean the balcony so we can eat because it's not that clean. Look at that sunrise, guys. That is a great sunrise. Bye. We are still here at El Nido, and we are about to ride the boat. So let's go ride the boat.
Yung food, isa lang ba? Alright, so sir, good morning everyone. May I have attention please for a while?
Hi guys! We are here in the front of the boat. Really in the front. Hi guys, we are here on the top of the boat. I am gonna take a photo, and now let's take off.
Hi guys! Come!
Hi guys, we're here in the boat and we are approaching Cadlao Lagoon.
Go kuya, go! Go kuya, go kuya, go! Go! Where's stop? Go Saki, go Saki, go! What? Go, paddle. Hi Saki!
Hi guys, today we are here at Pinlock Rock.
Sir, dito muna tayo lahat ha. Unahin ko lang sila ang picture lahat. Sige sir, abanti pa tayo sir doon. 3, 1, 2, and smile. More, one more. And one.
Hi guys, we are here at our stop in Hidden Beach, Matinloc Island. So
Behind that rock, so we need to walk from that part.
after we swim, because we have to swim to go inside, so after we swim, we're gonna let's go do it. Entering the cave.
Go, careful ate ha. Careful. Wow. Careful. One, two, three, run! Wow!
Swimming, swimming. Yeah. Ganda dahil wala pa masyadong tao. Welcome to DJB.
It's nice ate. It's nice Lola Dit. Come on! You can!
Why? The crumbs can pinch me because I got this.
Go swim!
Daddy, you can float. You can float, you have a life vest.
Waterproof po yan, ma'am.
Relax na. Relax. Tulak po yung paa mo. Yeah. Okay.
Oo nga.
Let's go.